On July 16, CSOT exhibited new display technologies at the 2022 International Conference on Display Technology. At this exhibition, CSOT brought the world's first 17-inch IGZO IJP OLED folding screen. This product adopts self-luminous inkjet printing OLED technology, combined with the new oxide compensation circuit technology, which can effectively expand the use scenarios of the product. As a notebook screen, this product is compatible with various functional forms of notebook, pad and monitor, and can be used in multifunctional scenarios. In addition, the screen also supports the smart split screen function, which can realize the work collaboration of multitasking and the same interface, and improve the user's efficiency.